In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix quick snap not showing on Instagram. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app updates. So launch App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Many features like quick snap are rolled out through updates, so an outdated app may not show it. Next, check if the feature is available in your region or account. In many cases, Instagram rolls out new features gradually, so some users get Quick Snap earlier than others. This is why you might see it in other account but not your main account. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection because unstable networks can stop Instagram from loading new features properly. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Finally, if nothing works, it may simply be a gradual rollout issue, meaning Instagram has not enabled Quick Snap for your account yet. In that case, you just need to wait until it becomes available. And that's it. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.